Kirsties'Karz, you guys. I can't thank you enough for coming back. Like, holy cow, I'm boring, and you guys still want to stick around. I just don't get it, but I can't thank you enough. Like, heck yeah. I totally just want to say thank you. So thank you, guys. The mountains are in fire, so that's really a downer. And, you know, I just want to wash my car again and do a little rain dance. You all should do something. Do whatever it is you do. Because Colorado needs your rain, so send it our way. But on a real note, I will insert a video here. Of what exactly I'm seeing, you know? Super sad, and my heart goes out to all those affected. I love y'all, and we all need to come together in these times. That's how Colorado works. But anyways, I am going to take some probably some 320 sandpaper, take the old sander out and just run over that whole top part again. I found some imperfections, you know, it's not a dust-free environment and things like that are gonna happen. But I'm just gonna go ahead and run it over it real quick and then put on one more layer of paint and see how it evens out. I don't know, there's a crap ton of stuff for me to do, but I'm just gonna like pick and choose what I can. I do have all the kids here, so I'm just trying to do everything in between of everything. Whatever. Let's do something. Let's go. Sorry to make you guys like watch me clean up again, but it's like a crucial part of my routine. Every time I come out here, there's something to clean up because I'm too lazy to put it all away when I'm done with it. So, I mean, either way, you gotta clean up, you know, at the end, at the beginning, either way. I also got the Nova moved to a different angle. My skylights kind of give me more light right here, you know, than off in that corner over there. And it's just easier to work on in all aspects. I mean, it's just better in the middle. But every night I have to jack it back up and pull it back over to the side so that I can pull the Subaru in here. Yeah, I'm just jamming out and like gonna do some stuff. So I sanded down those imperfections that I had found, put another coat over it all, hoping that'll do the job. I got some wire wheeling done, just on some random rust spots. I'm really just in the prep stage right now, and I'm just trying to get everything ready for what I have in store to come. We got a lot of fun stuff ahead of us, guys. Hell yeah. Thanks for joining me. run over something with you real quick. You saw me and my dad taking out the body mount bushings. We got the rear one out and we got the new one in. And then we went to go ahead and do the front and we got it out. And then when we held up the new one next to it, they're completely two different sizes. This one has had a lot of damage. I'm guessing from the frame damage that I found, because this was on the the driver's side over there, which was where all the damage was. I'm guessing that's why this one's all blown out, because the passenger side one over here that's still in there still looks pretty good. So, I mean, I'm guessing that's why this one looks so bad, is because it took the brunt of that accident. Possibly. Either way, way too big, way too small. It's been through hell and it's still bigger than this one, which means it was originally bigger than this. So, I mean, do not take O'Reilly's or AutoZone's or any of them, Advance, do not take their word for it that this is the one you need for your car. Always use your best judgment, because if I were to slap this one in where this one came out, I feel like there would be a huge difference. Maybe, maybe not, but that's just my opinion. So I am not going to do that. I am going to wait until I can find the correct bushing to put in there. Hopefully some of my car friends can help me out with that, because I've pretty much searched Summit and all the other places, and I can't find anything that matches this. So maybe you could give me an idea. I mean, I'm pretty sure this is the stock one that came in it. It looks to be, from my point of view. Anyways, this is the only bit of video I got for you guys. I was planning on adding this whole body mount video to it, but I can't because I don't have the right bushings. Anyways, I gotta go to work, so Sunday's over. This is all I can get you guys. I'm so sorry, but trust me, once I get them, there'll be another video right soon, right quick. Can't thank you guys enough for following me, even though I'm boring as heck. You guys rock.